What is the pH scale? A pH scale is used to measure the acidity or basicity of a solution. Do you know what the numbers on a pH scale are? The scale runs from 0 to 14. So what do the numbers on the scale represent? Anything above 7 is basic while anything below 7 is acidic. What happens if the pH is exactly 7? A substance with a pH of 7 is called neutral. It is neither acidic or basic. And what has a pH below 7? Products like lemons, orange juice and vinegar are acidic. And what has a pH of 7? Pure water normally has a pH of 7, which makes it neutral. Then what has a pH above 7? Detergent, bleach and toothpaste are all alkaline. Different areas in the body can have a different pH. For instance, stomach acid has a pH of 2. Human skin has a pH of around 5. And blood has a pH of around 7.4. So how can we measure pH? We can measure pH by using indicators like litmus paper. Or we can use electronic devices such as pH meters. Color changes in litmus paper. Litmus paper turns red in acidic solutions. Litmus paper turns blue in basic solutions. Is it interesting? So what did you learn? Let's take a quiz. Question 1. What does a pH of 9 mean? The answer is B. The substance is a base. A pH of 9 is above 7, which means that the substance is alkaline. Question 2. What item is acidic? The answer is A. Lemons. Lemons are acidic and have a pH below 7. Well done. See you next time.